Hi everyone. So this is Hop by Wix. Hop by Wix is going to be a new alternative to Linktree. And I think it's really good because it allows you to connect to your actual Wix site, create the content that you want to be able to display in your social media profile in the link, and it creates a shortened URL for a bunch of different things. You can be able to drive people towards specific services, pages. So I think Hops by Wix is a really great thing. So I'm going to hop in here. You saw that? I'm going to hop in. No, okay, sure. All right, so I'm gonna hop in here and connect my site. So right now, move my beautiful face over here. So I'm gonna click right here and click connect site, right? So let's see what happens, because this is actually my first time going through it. So pick a display name, pick a link. I like Dimitri, I like this. Okay, actually I'm gonna change this to Dimitri because that is all my social media handles. You can be able to leave this as Dimitri. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna do create account. All right, how did you hear about Hops? How did I hear about Hops? Blog article. I just read it. You know what I'm saying? Blog article. See, I'm nice. I actually put that there. So, marketers can't do a better job and not get fired. So I saved somebody's job today. All right. Features your Wix site highlights, blog posts, book services, pricing plans, website button, yeah. Hold on. Oh. List of links, products, no. List of products, no. Blog posts, events. List of videos, pricing plans, coupons, donate. Oh, you can donate. This will help like a lot of my nonprofit clients. Paid requests, paid DM. Oh, so you have to pay to send a DM? Ooh, list of coupons, pricing plans, video, list of videos, outfits. I like this. So it basically highlighted all the ones that it believes that I would use, and it is 1000% correct. And I'm going to click next. Okay, free. What in the... Oh... I get it. Let me see what premium looks like. Hold on now. Okay, which one do I like? I don't even know if I'm keeping it in a buck. But I'm gonna choose this one. Let me see what premium is, if like they're gonna charge me for premium. Let me see. Ooh. It says add my social media. Social media links and handles and things of that nature. So let's click next, right? Oh, let's add a search. Let's do this. I ain't skipping. I don't take shortcuts. Hard work or no work. Your link in bio page is ready. Ooh, it's gonna let me. Ooh, hold on. Let me get it. Right. All right. So let me do that too. Hold on. And click edit page. Maybe later. Let me see how this works out first. All right. So. All right. Ooh. All right. So we're gonna slide this over here, just so I can. All right. So the social media links, they're all there. Content, the profile image. Let's replace that. Right. Let's see if I have a better photo of me. I'm gonna use the same one I always use because I'm lazy. Gonna select. Ooh. Profile's name. So we're gonna put Dimitri Petite Frere. Or we just put tech by Dimitri. Alright, so bio. Alright, so we're gonna put that there. Page heading. Okay, hold on now. Why is this up here? Hold on, I don't like this. Name. I'm a tech junkie, and I love coding. I think that's a little bit better. Like anything more than that, like you're just, I don't know, man, that's weird. All right, so let's go to the actual design because none of this matches anything that I'm actually doing. So we're gonna click edit this. Ooh, so which one do I like better? All right, so we're gonna do this one just for simplicity, right? And then gonna change the background. Actually, color behind the video. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna just because I don't have anything, I don't have the exact hex. The desktop background, I'm gonna put the color to be black. Right, actually that's a little too black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna have it maybe like, yeah, I like that better. Alrighty, finish, video opacity. I think this is gonna stick out a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good right there. Search, appearance visible. What are you looking for? Okay, gonna sit here, edit. All right, so it looks. I did everything I was supposed to. It says 2 pro features in use. Remove pro features because he's not paying right now. Remove pro features. Okay. Check out my services like now. All right, so check out my services. I don't like the way that looks. Okay, we're gonna edit this and customize. So this I'm gonna put as that black charcoal color that I liked. All right. Hold on, what's the action button? Hold on. Action buttons, actually, you can leave that right there. The text, you can leave that alone. Background, I think this is it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna make the text white. Error input. So I'm gonna make this black. I'm not a big proponent of lighter colors. So I'm gonna change this action button. Again, I'm gonna put the X. All right. So we're gonna click apply. Looks like there's different design styles. Upgrading, get these cool buttons. So based on what I'm seeing here, you'll see that we can set the language, the social preview. We can edit if we were to upgrade, as well as the actual meta description. We can affect the actual search as far as visibility, hidden. What are you looking for? We can change this text right here, which is pretty cool. Search box text. Hold on, what does this say? Gray blocks hold the text in the search there. Add search links in your search. I'm not gonna add this now, but this is a pretty cool feature. We worked on the actual design, content, the social links, which we'll all add. And then these are the different, hold on, leave your contact detail. This action content, this contains sample content. Oh, it's a good thing I saw that. Okay. Name and email. Leave your contact details. All right, so let me see my website. That is the URL. My website. Description. A button. So I guess you can replace these buttons here with your own customized. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's the reason why these little errors are popping up. Set contain sample content. So as of right now, all the sample content is really my content, but this is pretty cool. So I'm going to published, and then here is the URL. All right, pretty dope. So no, I don't like that. All right, so this is how you create that Hopp new alternative to Linktree. I do like it. I'm not the biggest fan of the paid aspect to it, but it does create a lot of good features if you were to take your time. And if you do drive live traffic to your social media and people are going to your profile to click on your site, this is a great way to increase conversion. So yeah, I'm definitely on board with Hopps, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool.